Hello, this is Takarazu from GMAT Lounge. In this recording, we're gonna be tackling a number property question, and we can go ahead and do it right away. If n is a product of the integers from 1 to 8 inclusive, and if a, b, c, and d are positive integers such that n equal 2 to the power a times 3 to the power b times 5 to the power c times 7 to the power d, then a plus b plus c plus d equal to which of the following here? So we are being asked the sum of these exponents. Okay? Now, first we need to write down exactly what they said here. The n is a product of the integers from 1 to 8. The way to write that mathematically is to say that, let me change weight here. So to say that n is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8. Okay? Now what we want to do here is to break down all these integers into prime numbers. Okay? Because of that, we can actually drop the 1, because remember 1 is an identity. Any integer multiplied by 1 gives you the same integer, so we can drop 1. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 and then 3. Now 4 is 2 square. Remember, we're gonna, whatever here is not a prime integer, we're gonna break that number down into primes. Okay, so 4 should give us 2 square then. Okay, then 5 is a prime number. 6 is 2 times 3. Okay, 7 is 7, it's a prime number, and finally 8 is 2 cube. Okay, now what we need to do here is put all the 2's together, all the 3's together, and so on. So basically we have to put apples together, oranges together. Okay, so let's focus our attention on the 2's. We have 1 here, 2. We have 2 squares, so overall we have 3 of them. And then we have a fourth 2. And then we have another 3, so 4 plus 3 is 7. So overall we have 7 2's, and this is written as 2 to the power 7. And how many 3's do we have? We have 1 3 here and another 3 here. So we have 2 of them, so it's 3 square. How about 5's? How many 5's? It looks like just 1 5 we have here. And finally 7, we have only 1 7. Now what are we going to do here? I'm going to write 5 not just as 5, but 5 to the power 1 and then 7 to the power 1. Why? Because again, look at what they ask. We say that n can be written as 2 to the power a and so on. We have the exponents here. Now when there is no exponent, when you don't see any exponent, that's because the exponent is 1. Okay, that's the same thing. So now we can see that a should be equal to 7 because a was the exponent of 2 and 7 is the exponent of 2. B is equal to 2. C should be equal to 1, and D should be equal to 1. Okay, so all we have to do then, let me actually write that, A equals 7, B equal 2, C equal 1, and D equal 1. So overall, the sum A plus B plus C plus D, because that's what we're being asked here, should be equal to 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, and this is 11. And that's the answer, 11, right there. So again, it wasn't that difficult. Just it's again another prime factorization. When you deal with number properties, expect to do some prime factorization. Okay, so let's say it here that boy B is the correct answer. Okay, so again, this is Dakar Azu from GMAT Lounge. Thank you for watching.